There'll be a lot of eyes on Jake Mulraney coming into this game. One of the big stories, the winter transfer window, really leaving St. Pat's for Shamrock Rovers. He was electric in 2024. He was brilliant on the wing, made such an impact for Pats, and especially in that European run. I remember speaking to him when I was in Istanbul for the playoff. Didn't work out from last year. A lot of Pats fans be in agreement that it didn't hit his levels at all. Frustrations with end product. Is there pressure on him this year to produce in his new chapter at Tallaght?
Well, like, he was let go ultimately by Pats. Like, there is pressure, but I think Rovers have taken him as a bit of a project. Like, it's almost like a bit of a Danny Grant situation, where you're taking a player who, like, you know, he was offered around to other clubs. It's not a situation that Rovers went there and you know, assertively like took him out of there. Like, the power was with Pats to keep him if they wanted to do that. And I know Darren Nugent has effectively gone the other way. It wasn't put down as a sort of a swap, but I mean, that is basically, you know, an element to what's happened with it. I mean, there is pressure with him in the context that, like, what's he going to do with this chapter of his career? And Rovers have decided we think we can rehabilitate this player and make him more consistent, because he was inconsistent. We've seen him being very good, and equally Pats fans have seen him be very bad or just not deliver. And it is a question that, does the Rovers environment perk him up again? I mean, this is a guy who's played at a good level in his career. On his good days can be very good. There is pressure, but I mean, the thing is, like, I don't think all the creative responsibility at Rovers is falling on his shoulders. That is maybe the advantage there, that there's a lot of players around them who can take the lead as well too. And he looks like he might be one of the number 10s there, as opposed to maybe being a wing back, just based on some of the pre-season, the President's Cup. We'll see if that changes over time.